Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself I am Laukus Jogi. I have completed MSc in Agriculture, Seed Science and Technology, Specialization Seed Science and Technology from HNBGS Central University Srinagar, Uttarakhand in 2021. I have got 52 rank in PhD program Seed Science and Technology from Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICR All India Entrance Examination for admission in 2021. Today I am going to tell about the topic seed production of cereals, barley. Land requirements. Land to be used for seed production of barley shall be free of volunteer plants. In addition, the land should be well drained and not acidic. Isolation requirements. The crop is generally self-fertilized, usually not more than 0.15% cross pollination occurs. Pollination occurs while the head is in the boot in many varieties. An isolation of 3 meters all around the field is considered sufficient for maintaining varietal purity. However, to prevalent spread of smooth Astralago species, an isolation distance 150 meters between seed fields and such other fields where the infection of disease in the excess of 0.1 and 0.5% for foundation and certified seed class respectively is necessary. Free cultural practices. First, preparation of land. Prepare the land well by ploughing 3 to 4 harrowing following by leveling. Second, time of sowing mid-October to the first week of November. Third, source of seed of often nucleus or breeder or foundation seed from a source approved by seed certification agency. The seed should be treated with a organomercurial fungicide. 4. Method of sowing. The seed crop should be always be sown in row. Depth of seedling should be 5 to 7.5 centimeter. 5. Spacing row to row 20 centimeter. 6. Seed rate 75 kg per hectare. 7. Fertilizer or fertilization. Base the fertilizer application on the basis of soil test results. In the absence of soil test result, apply 60 to 80 kg nitrogen, 30 kg phosphorus and 20 kg potash per hectare. Apply half to nitrogen and the full amount of phosphorus and potash at the time of final preparations of the field of or sowing. Apply the remaining half of nitrogen at the time of the first irrigation. At irrigation, irrigate seed fields 2 to 3 times, namely at crown root stage, flower stage and milk stage. 9. Interculture. One weeding may be necessary to keep the seed field clean. Broad leaved weeds can also be controlled by spraying 2,4-D 1 kg per hectare in 800 liters of water 30 to 35 days after sowing. And insect and disease control same as described for the wheat crops. Rogging, harvesting and threshing same as described for the wheat crop. There is no designated objectionable weed for barley. The designated other inseparable crop plants for barley are wheat, oats and gram. Seed yield 30 to 35 quintal per hectare.